What's up, everybody? This is Robert RJ. That's right. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know I'm doing something a little different today. I'm working for someone my dad and them knows, and right now I'm putting boards up and stuff. And driving a brand new, I never heard of it, bobcat tractor. Never heard of a bobcat tractor when I was growing up. There's the lumber. That ain't all of it. I stacked some in the building. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know what I do during each time and each day. Usually I'm in the Monday to Saturday. Usually I'm in the steel shop or the machine shop, because I work in a machine shop. But and I open Pokemon cards, but I never videoed them. I'm gonna start videoing them. We got a moon Umbreon. We pulled that in Evolving Skies. We got some big hitters. I got a big collection. I'll show everybody. I'll show you guys. Well, hit the like button and subscribe to me, and I'll keep making content. And I won't end up making longer contents, but I'm new at it. I don't got the best stuff to film with. Everything's gonna be raw because I don't got no editing. I don't know how to do none of that stuff. I'll just edit the video, and I ain't scared like some of these YouTubers to mess up. Everybody messes up, and I ain't gonna take 100 times to film one thing. But here's the stack. Yep. And they got the whole house gutted out. I'll show you guys. It's a big farmhouse. Here's a big old garage. I'm at barn. You know what I found, guys? This tin man thing. If you guys want me to make a few, I wouldn't mind making a few and putting them on there. And yeah. But merchandise. Yeah, I like getting some of the merchandise. You guys want me to do different other things, let me know. Put it on a comment. Alright, guys. You guys have a good day. Like I said, I don't know how to make the video, then stop it, then film later to show you guys the house. Till someone shows me or tells me in a comment. My name is Robert J. Jr. And I can do some economy too. You know. Like, Jeffy Dahmer. You know what I mean? I can be freaking hilarious. But nah, I don't want to fake nothing. Alright, guys. Like, subscribe, and hit the button. Cowboy up. Cowboy up, guys. And cowgirls.